Hello everyone, welcome to Math Expedite. This is Dr. Sindhu. Today let us discuss some NCERT exercises on simple equations. Exercise 4.2, first one, give the first step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. So what are they asking us to do? They are asking us to do the first step to separate the variable. Okay, and then further we have to solve the equation. So let us see. We've learned in the previous video how to do this, isn't it? So here it is x minus 1 which is equal to 0. So what we will do? We will add 1 on both the sides. So x minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 plus 1. So what happens here? 1 and 1 gets cancelled and we get x which is equal to 1. So we did the first step and then we solved the equation. So coming to the second one, x plus 1 equal to 0. So what will be the first step? We will subtract 1 from both the sides. Let us see here. X plus 1 minus 1 equals 0 minus 1. 1 and 1 gets cancelled. We get only x here. Here I get minus 1. So x minus 1 is the solution. Next one. Here what do we do? First we add because we see minus sign here. So automatically we should know that we have to add. So what is the number we're going to add? 1 on both sides. X minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 5 plus 1. So I get x equals 6. Next one. Here what we do? Plus sign is there. So obviously we will subtract. Subtract from which number? 6. From both sides. X plus 6 minus 6 equals 2 minus 6. Here we will get x which is equal to minus 4. Next one. Y minus 4 is equal to minus 7. So what we have to do? We have to add because we see a minus sign here. Add. Which is the number we have to add? 4. On both sides. So let us see what happens. Y minus 4 plus 4 equals minus 7 plus 4. So here we get y which is equal to minus 3. Here, what we have to do? We are seeing a minus sign. So we know add. Again, what is the number? 4. On both sides. So y minus 4 plus 4 equals 4 plus 4. So we get y equals 8. Next one. Here we see plus sign. So what we are doing? Subtract. Subtract number, it is 4 from both the sides. So y plus 4 minus 4 which is equal to 4 minus 4. Here I get y equals 0. This one plus sign. So subtract 4 from both sides. Y plus 4 minus 4 which is equal to minus 4 minus 4. So what do I get? Y equals minus 8. In the first question, we did addition and subtraction. Here in the second question, we are doing multiplication and division. Okay. So let us see how do we solve this. Give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. 3l equals 42. So what are we doing? We are dividing. Dividing by 3 on both sides. Okay. So 3L divided by 3, which is equal to 42 divided by 3. I get L equals 14. Okay. So next one. Here what do I have to do? Because 2 is below B, I have to multiply by 2. So multiplying by 2 on both sides. So B by 2 into 2 equals 6 into 2. Here B equals 12. See, P by 7 equals 4. So you can guess what we are doing here. We are multiplying both the sides by 7. So P by 7 into 7 equals 4 into 7. So 7 cancels. P equals 28. This one, what we have to do? We have to divide by 4. Dividing by 4 on both sides. So 4x divided by 4 equals 25 divided by 4. X equals 25 by 4. Here 8y equals 36. So what are we supposed to do here? We are dividing. Divide on both sides by 8. So 8y by 8 equals 36 by 8. So 8 gets cancelled here. Y equals 36 by 8. Next one. Z by 3 equals 5 by 4. So what are we doing here? Multiply on both sides by 3. Z by 3 into 3 equals 5 by 4 into 3. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Z equals 5 3s are 15 divided by 4. So next one. A by 5 equals 7 by 15. Here we will multiply both sides by 5. So A by 5 into 5 equals 7 by 15 into 5. So 5 gets cancelled. We get 8 here, 5 ones, 5 threes. So we get 7 by 3. The last one, 20t is equal to minus 10. So we divide on both sides by 20. So 20t divided by 20 equals minus 10 by 20. 20 gets cancelled. T equals 10 1 and 10 2s. So minus 1 by 2. Okay. Coming to the third question. Give this step you will use to separate the variables and then solve the equation. First one, 3n minus 2 equals 46. What is the step 1 here? Add 2 on both sides. So 3n minus 2 plus 2 equals 46 plus 2. So I get 3n equals 48. Step 2, what are you going to do? Divide. Divide on both sides by 3. So I get 3n by 3, which is equal to 48 by 3. 3 gets cancelled. N equals 16. Next one, 5n plus 7 equals 17. So what is the step 1 here? Subtract. subtract 7 on both sides. 5m plus 7 minus 7 equals 17 minus 7. So what do I get here? 5m equals 10. Then what is the second step? Step 2, divide on both sides by 5. 5m divided by 5 equals 10 by 5. 5 gets cancelled this side, so m equals 5 ones are 5 twos are 10, isn't it? So m equals 2. Coming to the next one. 20p by 3 equals 40. So what would be the steps? Step 1, multiply both sides by 3. So 20p by 3 into 3 equals 40 into 3. 3 gets cancelled. I get 20p equals 120. Step 2. Now I have to divide. Divide both sides by 20. So 20p by 20 is equal to 120 by 20. 20 gets cancelled. P is equal to 6. Okay. Here 3p by 10 is equal to 6. So what do we do? Step 1, multiply on both sides by 10. 3p by 10 into 10 equals 6 into 10. 10 gets cancelled. I get 3p equals 60. Step 2, divide by 3 on both sides. So 3p by 3 equals 60 by 3. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. I get p is equal to 20. Coming to the fourth question, solve the following equations. Here, first one, 10p equals 100. So what we have to do? We have to divide by 10 on both the sides. 10p by 10 equals 100 by 10. So 10 gets cancelled. P equals 10. Second one, what are we doing here? Let us use transposing method. So 10p equals 100. We are transposing 10. So what will happen? There is plus sign, so it becomes minus 10. So 10p is equal to 90. Then in the second step, we are dividing 10p by 10 and 90 by 10. So 10 gets cancelled. P equals 9. Next one, p by 4 equals 5. So what are we doing? We are multiplying by 4 on both the sides. Okay, so 4 and 4 gets cancelled. P equals 5 4s are 20. Here, minus p by 3 is equal to 5. So what we're going to do? We're going to multiply this by minus 3 on both the sides. So what happens here? 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Minus into minus becomes plus. So we get p here minus 15. Next one, 3p by 4 equals 6. So what we'll do? We'll multiply by 4 first. Okay, on both the sides. 4 gets cancelled. 3p equals 24. Now we're going to divide by 3 on both the sides. 3 gets cancelled. P is equal to 8. Here 3s equals minus 9. So what we do? We have to divide by 3 on both the sides. S remains 3 3s are, so it is minus 3. This one, 3s plus 12 is equal to 0. We will transpose 12. 3s is equal to minus 12. Now we're going to divide by 3 on both the sides. 3 gets cancelled. S equals minus 4. Next one. 3s equal to 0. So what do I have to do? I have to divide by 3. 3s by 3 is equal to 0 by 3. 3 gets cancelled. S equals to 0. Here 2q is equal to 6. I have to divide by 2 on both the sides. So I get q equals 3. In this, 2q minus 6 is equal to 0. So I have to transpose 2q equals plus 6 because it is minus. So when it goes the other side, what happens? It becomes plus 6. Now I have to divide by 2 on both the sides. So I get q is equal to 3. Next one. 2q plus 6 equals to 0. So here we are transposing plus 6 to the other side, so it becomes minus 6. Then we have to divide both the sides by 2. 2 gets cancelled. Q equals minus 3. Here 2q plus 6 is equal to 12. Again we are transposing plus 6. So what it becomes? It becomes minus 6. 2q is equal to 6. Here again we divide by 2 on both the sides. 2 gets cancelled. Q equals 3. So this finishes exercise 4.2.